Good morning, children. Today we will do chapter 4 of practice book, that is phrases and clauses. We have done till worksheet 8, isn't it? Last time, till which worksheet had I done?
Worksheet
8, yes.
worksheet 8.
Till worksheet 8 we had done. So today we will do with, today we will start with adjective clause. Okay. Now the clause which contain a subject and a predicate and of its own and does the work of an adjective, that is called an adjective clause. Yes, like my friend who has a car is very rich. Now who has a car? Who has a car is describing your friend, isn't it? Now what is the definition of adjective? Adjective defines the noun. Adjective defines the noun. It tells you more about the noun. If I say this is a girl, and if I say this is a beautiful girl, that means it is telling you more about the girl. What kind of a girl is she? She's beautiful girl. This is an intelligent boy.
Beautiful.
Intelligent is adjective. Beautiful is adjective. Sweet is adjective. All these are adjective. That is, they are describing the noun. They are telling you more about the noun. Similarly, my friend who has a car is very rich. Now, who has a car? This clause is describing my friend. My friend. Okay. So this is an adjective clause. Now we will do adjective clause today. Read these sentences and can you say something about the group of words in each sentence that has been italicized? The family that lives next door hails from Australia. Now, the family, if you see italics, can you read, children? Can you see something written in a different font?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can see that?
Yes.
Okay, now that part, that lives next door. Underline that. That lives next door. Underline it. Now, if I remove this, that lives in next door, what will be the sentence be? The family hails from Australia. अगर वो बीच का पोर्शन जो इटैलिक्स में है उसको रिमूव कर देंगे तो आप क्या पढ़ेंगे उसको? The family hails from Australia. Hails means it belongs to Australia. That is, comes from Australia. So the family hails from Australia. Now, which family? Talking about, so that lives next door. We are talking about that lives next
Ma'am,
door.
which page number?
So
Ma'am,
it is
which page
telling you
number?
more about the noun, the family. Which family?
Ma'am, which page number? Ma'am, which page
Page
number?
number 44. So the family which lives that lives next door hails from Australia. I have a dog. If I say I have a dog, that follows me everywhere. That follows me everywhere. This is adjective clause. This is a garden that is famous for its roses. All these in italics are adjective clause. Now these italics phrases, they describe the noun and so do the work of an adjective. So and each group contains a subject and a predicate. As I told you, each clause contains a subject and a predicate. Why other children are not cannot be seen, children? You are supposed to come in school uniform. Many children have not joined also. Children, we are doing page 44. Page 44. Adjective clauses. Adjective clauses. And please mute yourself. Sneha Kumari and all, mute yourself. Okay. Now on the next page, 45, page 45, children, you can see worksheet 9. Sneha Kumari, please mute yourself. Yes. Now you can see a picture of a beautiful hill station. The letter given on the next page describes the place, but there are some blank spaces in it. You have to fill up the blank spaces. Now you observe this picture. What all? This is Lena City. Okay. Now turn to the next page. The 8 box is there. Page 46. 8 box is there. That is to help you to fill up the blanks. Now first one is Shiv temple built in 17th century. Girwar forest, rich wildlife. In the east of India, then houses made of wood, waterfall, a delight to view, and Gauri, a volcano, now inactive. Now, see what she is writing. Hi Priya, guess where I am writing from? I am in Lena City. It's a small hill station which is in the east of India. Now this is already done now. Okay, which is in the east. Now you have to add which. Is in the east is given, but which you have to add. The scenic beauty here is simply breathtaking. To the north of the city is a waterfall, which phrase you will add here?
Which is a delight to view.
Yes, which is a delight to view. Which is a
delight to view.
Yes, write fast. Written?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes. Class is going on in between. Don't say good morning. Only in the beginning of the class you should say. Otherwise, quickly take out your book and start doing. Whatever you have missed, you can see the video and write it. That will not be done again. Okay. Now, people live in houses that are made of wood.
Ma'am, made up of wood.
That are made up of wood. That are made of wood. That are made of wood.
On classes work.
Next one, in the west of Girwar forest, which
is rich wildlife. Which has rich wildlife.
Which has
Rich in wildlife.
rich wildlife. Done?
On page number?
Page 46.
Okay.
Sneha Kumari, mute yourself. The famous Shiv temple. Now, Shiv temple was built in 17th century. Was built in 17th century. Which was built in 17th century. The famous Shiv temple, which was built in 17th century, is on the outskirts of the city.
Which is on active.
Which was built. Next one, Gauri volcano, which is now inactive. which is now inactive, which is now inactive, is on the outskirts of the city. No, sorry, is in the northwest, sorry. It is in the northwest. Now it has a huge crater. The city is sparsely populated. I'm sending some pictures of the place on WhatsApp. With love, Shalu. Yes. Now the clauses you have completed are all adjective clause. Now whatever you have filled in the blank spaces are all adjective clause. You must have noticed that all these adjective clauses begin with relative pronoun, that is who, whom, whose, which, all these. Okay. Now let's do worksheet 10. Look at the picture and complete the given sentence by adding a suitable adjective clause. Vishal, who is being chased by a dog, can run really fast. That castle dash 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 is very ancient. That castle which is on the top of the hill, which is on top of the hill, is very ancient. Yes. Abhigya, have you written? Abhigya, you are feeling sleepy? Feeling sleepy? Yes, yes, I can see. Okay. Now, what is the name of that girl who is wearing specs? Who is wearing specs? S-P-E-C-S, specs. Or who is wearing glasses?
Of specs?
Sparing glasses. Glasses को कहते हैं specs.
I'm a spectacles.
Spectacles, not spectators. Full form is spectacles. Now this is the book which I was reading. This is the book which I was reading.
Ma'am, which I was reading होगा.
कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. Which I was reading. This is the book which I was, which I read last year. Next one. This is the desert. Can you complete?
People are riding. Which people are riding?
No.
Ma'am, where I was go last year? Ma'am, where I was go last year?
Where I went last year. No, but where I went is not adjective clause.
I want to visit.
It should describe the desert.
Which
This
I want
is the
to visit.
desert which is the biggest in the world or largest in the world. This is the desert which is largest in the world. This is the desert which is in Asia. This is the desert which, like this you have to describe. This is the desert which is largest in the world. Now this is the house which
That
is very,
is very old.
ancient. Or this is the
Ma'am,
house
which
which
is
is
not
haunted. Haunted. This is
Yes,
the house
ma'am.
which is haunted. 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 I have a box which is full of chocolates.
Which is, ma'am, which is full of delicious chocolate.
Yes, very good. Which is full of delicious chocolates.
Ma'am, I have a which is full of chocolate bar.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Oh, yes, yes, children. Then this is the tree which will bless you.
मैम 8 का एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर दीजिए ना.
It is the weather which has made them sick. Or which it is the weather that has made them sick.
Ma'am, it is a weather which make us happy.
Yes, but यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं ना बच्चे sick हैं. It is the weather which has made them sick. This is the tree that will bless you.
Ma'am, which bless everyone?
Yes. Now we will do noun clause. First we did adverb clause, then we did adjective clause. Now we will do noun clause. Now read these sentences. What do you notice about the group of words written in bold? I fear. Now when you say I fear, can you ask a question what? And if you get the answer of what or whom, then it is a noun clause. Okay, if you get the answer of now whom or what, then it is a noun. Why? Because the noun clause does the work of a noun. I fear rain. Suppose you say I fear rain. I fear lightning. Now this is noun, isn't it? Same way, this is also a noun clause. I fear what? It is going to rain. Can you guess how the story ends? What we need is a good sleep. Whoever owns this place must be rich. Now, does the group of words in each sentence written in bold have a subject and a predicate of its own? Yes. Now, is it a phrase or a clause? It is a clause.
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 Yes. So, a clause that does the work of a noun is called a noun clause. And it also has a subject and or the object of a verb. Now, worksheet 12. Write a sentence on each of the prompts given below using a noun clause. One has been done. Now, said, not refuse such a good offer. He said that he could not refuse such a good offer. You have to elaborate it, children. They have given the clues like said and then not refuse such a good offer. So you can write, he said that he could not refuse such a good offer. No, vote for the best candidate. I know
Ma'am,
that
ma'am, I know that he vote for the best candidate.
that
The best one.
we must vote for the best candidate. Yes. Next one. He said that he is sure to win. He said that he is sure to win.
Ma'am, please repeat the second number.
He said, second one. I know that we must vote for the best candidate. Next one. He said that he is sure to win. Next one. Shocked to hear a stampede in the shrine. Who can answer this?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of stampede?
Stampede मतलब भगदड़ मच जाना.
Okay.
They shock for to hear.
Ma'am, I shocked to hear.
I
Ma'am,
am
I
shocked
shocked to hear a stampede in a sin.
No, but in between, what are you going to add? I am shocked to hear that there was a stampede in the shrine. I am shocked to hear that there was a stampede in the shrine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one. I don't know who will drive in the hills. I don't know that who will drive in the hills. I don't know that who will drive in the hills. Yes. Do the next one, children.
The PT which has lost her job.
has lost her job.
The PT which has lost job.
ये देखो ये वो है ना ये चल रहा है।
And this is the PT who has
अभी हमने
lost his
टाइट
job.
किया था आ रहा बैटरी इज लो यस नेक्स्ट वन आर यू डूइंग
Ma'am, I want that you should success with good marks.
no first one before that pity lost
The PT which has
it
lost
is
her job.
it is a pity that he has lost his job that he lost his job it is a pity that he lost his job
What is meaning of PT?
pity हाँ पिटी क्या होता है
Yes, ma'am.
हिंदी में यू कॉल इट पिटी को आप क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में हाँ
Ma'am,
पिटी इज अ वेरी कॉमन वर्ड क्या बोलेंगे
ma'am,
दया
ma'am, maybe Buddhu.
दया दया पिटी इज दया आई वांट
that
dash succeed with I want
I want that I succeed with good marks.
I want
Ma'am,
that
I want that I
want
succeed
that
with
you
good
should
marks.
succeed with good marks. I want that you should succeed with good marks. Or I want that I should succeed with good marks. Yes. Now I'm giving you 2 minutes time and you will complete these sentences on the next page, that is page 50. It's very simple. The mystery is how he entered the house. My teacher wants dash 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 noun phrase. Noun clause, sorry.
I want good marks.
Try to do it, then I'll give you the answers. Did? Have you done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. I'm done.
I have also done.
Okay. Now, first one. My teacher wants. What will you
I
write?
should maintain the
That the
discipline.
student
I
will
should
get
maintain the discipline of the school.
One of you say. Ashish Singh say.
I should maintain the discipline of the school.
My teacher wants that I should maintain the discipline of the school. Very good. Anyone else?
we can, ma'am. My teacher wants that student will get good marks.
Yes. Okay. Now, next one. I could not imagine.
That you will
Ma'am,
learn
that
That how I score.
ma'am, I
100%
could not imagine that you would lost your watch.
I could not imagine how he reached home so fast.
Ma'am, that I
Ma'am,
score 100 marks in every
I
subject.
I
could
could
not
not
imagine that
imagine
he
how he
lost
reached
the
home so fast. I want to know
How we solve the problem.
how you
Solve the problem.
solve the problem. Very good. Gandhiji believed that
Honesty
honesty
is
is
the
the
best
best
Ahimsa.
policy.
Honesty is the best policy.
Ma'am, honesty is the best policy.
Yes. No one can deny that he is a fool. No one can deny that he is a fool.
And what is the meaning of deny?
Deny माने कोई ये मना नहीं करेगा. This is the car I was talking about. This is the house I was talking about. This is the house which is haunted.
This is a girl that is lost.
Yes, yes. Now, very quickly, we'll do worksheet 14. Do you like crossword and word puzzles? Write down one reason why you like or do not like crossword puzzle. One reason you like crossword puzzle, it is
Ma'am, I like crossword puzzles
Because
Yes.
we learn
because, ma'am, because it is so interesting.
it is very interesting. You have fun solving the puzzle.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it is.
I love crossword words because we learn many types of.
Okay. Now, children, they have given the puzzle is a word. Crossword is there, but they have already solved it. Now you have to frame the question for them. What hints you will be giving so that these answers come. Like first one, racket. Now what have they written? You need one when you play tennis. Now if this clue is given, can you write the racket? You need one when you play tennis. What do you need one? You need a racket.
Ma'am, racket.
Yes, it is worn so that the head is protected. Helmet. So that head is protected. Next one. The person who is a champion, children?
Person.
Huh?
Person who win the game.
Yes.
Ma'am, the person who wins the game is champion.
Yes, the person who is the winner. Now, then next one, goal. A structure where you hit the ball.
Football.
Where you hit the ball. Then referee. Referee, the person who judges the game. The person who judges the game.
Ma'am, please repeat the fourth number.
Next one, match.
Which play to win.
Huh? match. What will you write for match?
The thing we play to win.
You play to win. Some other meaning?
Ma'am, the match.
Huh? मैच के लिए क्या लिखेंगे? An organized game. Then winner.
Ma'am, who wins the game?
Who wins the game? Score.
We try to secure.
No.
It decides that who will and who lose.
Score का क्या होगा?
Ma'am, score of the match.
We try to secure more.
Secure नहीं.
Ma'am, score of the match.
Yes. Score. Number
Ma'am,
of
score
points.
of the match.
Yes, the number of points.
Ma'am, score of the match.
स्कोर ऑफ द मैच आप बोल देंगे तब तो फिर वो लिखेगा कैसे? आपको क्लू देना है. स्कोर का आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? द गोल,
Ma'am, points.
द नंबर ऑफ
Ma'am,
पॉइंट्स,
it decides.
द
Ma'am,
नंबर
it
ऑफ पॉइंट्स.
decides either he.
चिल्ड्रन, नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स यू कैन राइट. उसको स्कोर कहते हैं. देन डबल्स. डबल्स
Ma'am, doubles of
how many
3.
people play? डबल्स में क्या होगा?
Ma'am, doubles of 3. Ma'am, because 3 plus 3 equals to, ma'am, half dozen, ma'am.